got no windows, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No, that's not.
There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
Alright guys, what is going on? Today, we have the Whipple Ram, we have all the stuff we need loaded up to go to Steve's. It is Saturday, 3 o'clock. We're not working on the Ram today, I'm just dropping the truck off so tomorrow he can work on it because obviously I need to ride home tomorrow. Dropping the truck off to Steve's today. Won't be working on it, his kid's birthday, so I'll let him do his thing. Tomorrow, pulling the motor. We got Monday, we got Tuesday, and then we're going to work on the fuel system. So, a lot of big things happening, guys. So, yeah, I will get back with you guys tomorrow morning when we hit Steve's. All right, guys, we got Steve in the truck pulling the motor. As you can see, he pulled off the fan, belt, a couple small things. He's getting
AC compressor.
AC compressor now. Just getting some basic stuff out before he pulls the blower and all the other stuff. Let's see. He's putting some star parts in the bed for now. We are getting there. I know he's having the best time of his life.
Keep telling yourself that.
And off she comes. She's got some weight, don't she, Steve?
Fuck yeah.
Need a hand?
No.
Okay.
1 second. Ugh.
My man.
Fuck, 80 pounds of fucking blower.
And the blower is off.
All right. Hey.
We're making progress, guys. We're making some progress.
Oh, we're right back.
All right.
Oh, there you are.
All right, guys. Steve has the whole Whipple off. Now we are down to the block, heads, everything else.
It's a lot of shit. It doesn't take 5 minutes.
No, the Whipple is not like just pulling a manifold. It takes some time.
Fucking Nick.
So, get started on all this fun stuff. I know he's not happy, but eh.
You got that right.
All right, guys, we got Steve under the truck right now, unbolting the transmission. As you can see, he's under there working. And we'll be ready to take out the motor soon. Parts in the bed, working hard. All right, guys, give a little update what's going on. It's been a couple of hours. Steve's still under there getting all the bolts and out, everything out. He's got basically almost all the header bolts out, he said. I think he's got to take the motor mount bolts off. And what else you got to do? A couple other...
Just get the wiring and shit.
And the wiring, yeah. And then we're ready to pick her. Then we're going to take a look at the heads, make sure everything looks good, because basically everything in here is sold. The block, the heads, the cam, everything is sold. So I want to pop the valve covers off, make sure they look good, pop off the heads, make sure the cylinder walls look good. And yeah, guys, that's it. And then once Steve does all his other, another day he'll be swapping parts over and stuff. And eventually, the 392 is going in there. Eventually. Got some work to do and stuff, some parts to swap over, but we're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. Oh, he's getting ready, yeah. What was that, to hold the trans?
Yeah,
Yep.
so it doesn't hit the ground.
Yep.
Just to support.
Awesome, awesome. Jack up there. Yeah, exciting things happening, fellas. All right, guys, we're getting ready to pick the motor finally. Here's the fun part.
Yeah, fun.
We're almost there, fellas. This motor is literally going to be out in a couple of minutes. Give or take.
10 minutes, yeah.
10 minutes, yeah. Yep. Nice. All right, we got the picker ready. Steve's going to do his thing. If he needs me to help, I'm here to help. Got it all ready to go. You just turn it on, so that's fine.
Yeah. I just want to get the tension right.
Yeah. Just gotta wait a minute. He's trying to get more pressure in the compressor to lift this thing up. I didn't realize that was compressor. Yeah. Alrighty. Almost there, fellas. Almost there.
Tight squeeze.
Yeah, it's definitely a tight squeeze. I can see that from here.
We're gonna have to start spinning it in a second.
Alright guys, it took some finagling because we kept the timing cover on, and let me tell you, Steve will tell you that was a bitch. So it took a hell of a lot longer than we expected.
And the radiator.
Was there still in. But it is out. My short block is actually finally out of the truck. There she blows. Just hitting all the nuts and bolts in the ground, that's all. There we go. And boys and girls, there she is. Motor is officially out of the Ram. We got no motor, no engine. Got the lightest Ram out there. Beautiful. All right, Steve, get that motor in.
Fuck off.
All right. Late night. It's a lot later than we expected.
I did tell you to be up.
All right, guys. It is the next day. I'm actually at work right now. Steve he's off for the next couple of days. Yeah, I'm in the Charger, as you can see. Yeah, it took a lot longer to get the motor out than we both expected it. Bolts, it's just so many nuts and bolts to get this thing out, and he's doing it by himself in his garage. So we didn't have the most room, we didn't have a lift, but the motor is out. Yeah, so I didn't get home till almost 10 o'clock. I didn't leave his house till almost 9. We started late too. He had a late night. I said with his son's birthday the night before. No big deal. But we didn't start till 1:30. I didn't get out of there till almost 9. So, and he did it all himself with no lift or nothing. I just literally handed him a couple tools and, you know, talked, chilled, had a good time. But the 5.7 is out. Very excited, very happy it's finally out. He's going to be prepping the area, getting the 6.4 ready, swapping parts over. I'm not going to be able to, he's off the next 2 days, so I'm not going to be able to have video, obviously, a lot of stuff. I told him, get done what you can. Not a big deal if I'm not there. You know what I mean? I doubt he's going to be having the 6.4 going in right now. If he does, I'll probably have him just video it, or I can run there after work if he's going to be doing it. We'll see how that goes. And then we got the fuel system. So, yeah, guys, big things are happening. I'm very excited. Can't wait. And, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And next video will be installing the 6.4. Hopefully that's, you know, within a couple days. And then starting her up. Getting, you know, it's just a lot of good things, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.